Hi. So the other day, my friend was visiting me, and she asked me whether she could make a dish that day for our lunch. We planned to have a lunch together till lunchtime, till evening. The whole day we planned to spend together, and she offered to make some dish so that we can have together. She cooked very. She used to cook very well. Uh, I liked. I'm a vegetarian. I like vegetarian dishes very much, and especially some days I like bitter gourd. You know, in India we call it karela, along with dahi. So dahi and karela go together very well for me, at least. But I knew uh, Rekha doesn't like, and she is usually a non-vegetarian. She will cook meat and whatever, egg especially, because I also like egg. So as a side dish, mm, uh, we can cook. We could have cooked karela also. So I thought, but since I knew Rekha wouldn't love karela at all, so I thought instead we can go for papad and achar and stuffs like that. At best, we'll fry potato. Surprisingly, Rekha came up and asked, what about a dish of Karela today? Because I see you have bought Karela and you're still very fond of Karela, right? So I was very surprised that she was asking to cook Karela. Uh, I said, no, 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 we don't have to have Karela. But anyways, we can cook something else. But she said, never mind, because I have learned a new dish of Karela, so I want you to taste that dish. And actually, the bitterness of it goes away if you put it some time with salt, and then afterwards, after 30 minutes or so, the bitterness goes away along with the salt. There will be a watery substance which you can wash off, and then along with onion and tomato, if you can cook mm, along with some garlic, then it tastes really, really good. So all along, I was always, I was jittery about having Karela. So, and when I learned this dish from somebody, actually, I thought I should cook you that dish. So, and then surprise you. So, how about having Karela? I was, uh, I was really touched by that gesture of her. She remembered me, and it is a nice, friendly compliment. If you are meeting, friends are meeting after so many days, and they remember your likes and dislikes, and somehow they miss you. So that's why they keep all those things in their mind, and somehow they bring a new flavor to it and come back to you. It feels so good. It feels so good. Was I very uh, stiff and rigid about me being having Karela? Uh, was I so very torturous about having Karela? Rekha had to eat all those whenever I insisted on having Karela. I felt guilty of having pushed her to have something which she didn't like, but she was game for it. Always like uh, she always ate whatever I cooked for her with such a gusto. So yeah, we shouldn't uh, we shouldn't push the other person, but um, that kind of left me thinking, did I ever think about her taste, and do I know at all as to what she likes and she doesn't like? Can I cook her a dish like that? It is time for me to change. Yeah. But it felt good that she cooked me a dish of my like, and whether I'm a good friend to her or not, she really is a good friend for me. That's a blessing, and I'm blissful. Thank you.